Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at the Myrtle Waves Water Park. This water park has a ton to offer. They have over 20 slides. They've got brand new slides. They've got actually a slide that's opening. Probably by the time this video is out, it should be opening. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. If you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you with us. In addition to all the water slides, they of course have this beautiful, beautiful wave pool. It does have some umbrella areas with some shade, and this is just gorgeous. It's funny how no one's run in it. I guess they're going for the slides to get in line for the slides. We got here right at opening. If you're wondering exactly, this was right after they opened. Today they opened at 11, but their hours do vary, so definitely check their website. They have a calendar on their website, and that will tell you what time they open and what their hours are. But also we'll talk about their pricing a little bit later. Here's an overview of the park just to give you an idea of the size. It is huge, it really is. It's really big. You can't even see everything from here. There's a bunch of kiddie play areas, kiddie slides, more slides, more slides. It's just massive, and they've got some pretty unique slides here. Let's go check all of it out. They have an adorable area for the little ones called Bubble Bay. They've got these cute fish, the splash area, all kinds of things splashing, and they do have some nice shaded areas to sit in. This is really cute, and over there they do have some picnic tables as well for when you're having some snacks. Definitely a nice area. They also have some clamshells and also full cabanas. We'll show you those later. Those are an additional charge, but they're definitely an option if you'd like some guaranteed shade. Now the wave pool is kicking up. I like how they have these short chairs here that you can sit in right at the edge of the wave pool. They do have a few places that you can get food here. Here's Sharky's Snack Shack. I want to show you what they have. It's basically the food that you would expect. You got a hot dog, chili cheese hot dog, nachos, pretzels, drinks, Dippin' Dots. They also have another Dippin' Dots stand and some Coca-Cola stands as well. Leave me a comment and let me know if this is your kind of thing. This is my kind of thing right here, this lazy river. This looks amazing and refreshing. Definitely my kind of fun. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find our videos. And also, they do have some inner tubes. We were wondering about that. There's some inner tubes there. And if you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, definitely subscribe, because we put a couple of videos out every week, so we keep up with everything that is going on. Here is another super, super cute, I'm gonna say it, super cute area here for, younger kids, not for the older kids. Older kids can still enjoy it. I see parents with their children, but definitely a fun-looking area for the younger kids. Also, as I'm sure you've seen in the video, they do have lifeguards here as well, which is great. I've seen a lot of lifeguards, which is really good. So this is really, oh, I love it. They've got the guns and buckets up there so you can dump that on other people. That's always fun. Really cool. Here are the cabanas that I mentioned that you can rent that are your own private cabana. You can definitely check online for more details about the pricing on the cabanas, but definitely a nice little area. So this one is right by this area here, but they have them in different areas of the park. More lazy river action going, and I have seen a ton of lifeguards here, which is great to see. And then here we've got an awesome two-seater ride. Brian and I always refer to these as a toilet bowl. If you've seen the inside of these, you know what I'm talking about. You go round and around in this big circular area before you come out. Definitely a fun slide. It looks like you can do either a double or a single. Definitely getting a line already on that, even though the park just opened. Look up there, yep, starting a line. That's just gonna get bigger and bigger as the day goes on. So, I mean, that's actually a good tip, is get here early. When we got here, it was right around 11, and there was a huge line to get in. It's definitely not a fast process, so get here as early as you can, because that way you're gonna make the most out of your day here and get the most time for your money. Here are a lot of fun rides over here. Let's check these out. These two slides are respectively Snake Mountain on your left and Night Flight on the right. These are the ones that you frequently see from the highway. So talking about the location, we're right on 17 bypass. You see Sam's Club across the road, but we're very close to Broadway at the beach, right down the road from Broadway at the beach, if you're familiar with that. This is on Mr. Joe White Avenue. That's the cross street here. So really easy to get to in the central part of Myrtle Beach. This is actually pretty fun. You just walk up these stairs and go, woo! It's called Super Shoot. That's pretty neat. And there's the Thunderbolt and Speed Slides if you go higher up. Definitely cute. Here's another view of those rides I was just talking about. And then over here we've got the Rockin' Ray. This looks pretty interesting. Walk over and take a look at the exit here. This is definitely one of the more unique slides I have seen. So you walk up that tower there. Let's see if someone comes down. This should be pretty interesting to watch. Looks like you're gonna go up and down both sides. This looks like a lot of fun. Right next to that Ray ride, they've got a huge area. It actually feels really nice in here with picnic tables and fans. So this is pretty nice. We definitely saw a lot of birthday party groups, so I think that's what this is for since they're numbered. So definitely look into that if you've got a big group, and they've got a volleyball net over there. Lazy River is getting busier and busier as the day goes on. They do have a Flowrider here, so if you're interested in that, they've got one of those here as well. When you're here, be sure you don't miss it. They have a whole island that's surrounded by the Lazy River. You just need to go over one of these bridges to head over. So while we're walking to the middle, let's talk about admission. At the time of this recording, which is subject to change depending on the time of year, the season, all of that, the general admission price for anyone that's 48 inches or taller, over 48 inches tall is $46.99 plus tax. But that is discounted right now. The regular is $49.99. Also, for under 48 inches tall is $36.99 plus tax, normally $39.99. And then 2 and under are free. So let's actually start right here with the beer garden. We actually love this canopy here. This is a nice little seating area here. We've also got some separate umbrellas and chairs, so if you want to watch the lazy river and people go by while you're here in the middle, it's pretty neat. I like this area a lot. So let's take a look at what they have to offer here. Oh, margarita. There we go. So it's not just beer. They've got a lot of other cocktails. You can freeze the screen if you'd like to check out everything they have. And they've also got food, even pizza over here. So lots of different options. Also on this center island, they have lockers of various sizes. We just scanned one of these, which is considered large, and it was $14. So just to let you know the pricing. Also, that Flowrider that I just charged at the time of this recording is $10 for unlimited rides for the day. We just ran around the corner and noticed that they have the pricing posted here. So this gives you the full pricing as of the time of this recording for the lockers. They also have the Island Cafe. Again, this is on the central part that's in the middle of the Lazy River. So this is their biggest food service location. They've got a lot of options here. This is where you can come get your cheeseburger, pulled pork combo, some items that you don't see at the other food locations here. Here's the inside of the Island Cafe. Ooh, the pizza looks good. Pretzels, icy machine, and then you've also got some grab and go sodas and waters. And then they actually do have indoor seating as well, so that's nice when it's super hot and you want to get out of the heat for a bit. Additionally, at the Island Cafe, they have mobile ordering and mobile pickup, so if it's a little more crowded than it was just now, that would definitely be a nice option as well. And I believe this is going to be the highest end class of cabanas they have. This is the King Cabana. It is screened in, so I guess I'm not getting any bug bites today. I guess that gives you a little more privacy, and if there are bugs, that would keep those away. Keep the flies away for trying to eat, so that would be nice. Table and a couch and a nice view of the Lazy River. I will mention the Lazy River here is huge. You know, like you go to hotels and stuff and you see a Lazy River and it's kind of small. This Lazy River goes and goes and goes, and we've seen so many people using it. It's definitely a popular option here. Now there's getting quite a few people in the wave pool. So if you're not familiar with wave pools, they'll be calm like this for a while and then the waves will pick up occasionally. It's just sort of intermittent. The Turbo Twisters and the Riptide Rockets are right here. They are under refurbishment right now, but by the time you see this video, they will probably be open. I was told at the front that they will open on June 1st. If you want to double check, you can always call and ask before your trip. And then over here is the Wild Water Racer that was moved from the water park in Surfside Beach that is no more. So that's actually pretty cool that one of the rides from that water park was preserved. So if you have some great memories of the Surfside Beach water park, you can come here to re-experience this ride. Again, this is supposed to be open on June 1st, but of course that date is subject to change. They also have life jackets available and inner tubes. So they got all kinds of options here for the wave pool. They do have a gift shop, so if you forgot something, you can definitely check this out. They've got a lot of bathing suits, water shoes, all kinds of stuff, hats. Definitely a lot of options if there's anything, flip-flops, if you forgot to bring something with you, sunscreen. Also got some totes in case you need a tote, some towels, all kinds of great stuff, cover-ups. Here's a map that shows you everything they have to offer here. You can freeze this if you'd like to see it in more detail. As we're leaving, I had to point out that the cabanas are sold out. If you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.